Hello. Njani?
Hayi siyangcela.
Sewuphosa umbala
Sizama exercise.
esemsize.
Sibuyele akusafani. Sibuyele simweni. Kona akusafani kodwa akafinyeleli khona.
How was the journey?
It has its days. Some days are very tough, frustrating, because I'm not used to staying at home, sitting, and not doing anything.
Yeah,
But I've learned to be patient.
yeah, not be toxic and tiring. Eh?
I've learned to be patient with myself, because when you have injured a knee, one, it's a very painful experience. The recovery is frustrating, but you've got to keeping on and keeping the faith.
What would you say to somebody who's like losing hope? You know, it's been this COVID thing, people losing jobs, people staying at home.
Well, keep the faith.
Yeah.
Honestly, there's nothing else. You can only keep the faith. I mean, I'm lucky because I'm injured, but I have a job. I know a lot of people lost their jobs because of COVID. It's frustrating, whether you have a job or not. It's just a frustrating experience. And I wish everybody out there all the best.
Yeah. Support system. Do you have it?
Support system.
Yes.
I'm looking at it.
Oh, okay.
And my kids have also been very supportive. Auntie Unomakuku, she's been very supportive. Yeah. At work, they've been very supportive. They've been with me throughout this journey. Because in as much as it was a work injury, they went above and beyond.
It's nice to hear that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it down. Happy. Yeah.
So, yeah, it's been
Those days.
an interesting journey.
Yeah. Good
I wouldn't wish this on anyone. When you injure your knee, first of all, you realize how important it is, the knee. Because mobility comes to a standstill when you've injured your knee.
Yeah.
And when you go for surgery, there's the recovery period, which is also very frustrating and stressful. And I went into depression, I think first week after
The process of
after
recovery.
the surgery, yeah. Because I literally just couldn't do anything alone. I couldn't even bath alone. You know, you become a child. So
all that transformation is frustrating.
it's frustrating. But like I said, it's keeping the faith and doing the exercises that the physio gave me. And just being patient with the process. It's a process. It's a long process. Because you have to heal properly so it doesn't bother you. You know. I'm not young, so I've got to make sure that it heals properly. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing this with us. I hope it will heal people and motivate people.